Today's lesson is the third lesson in topic 12, compare decimals. What we're going to do today, we're going to solve questions like these questions. Write greater than, less than, or equal in each circle. Use place value blocks or grids as needed to complete. Okay, my heroes, please now open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this? Yes, 640. Yes, thank you, Ala. Okay, Ala, use your mic again. Okay, you don't have any noise around you. Wow, I like this. Okay, Ala, go ahead, read for us. Okay, great. Okay, let's read the question. Ala, go ahead. Read the question.
A Dublin ran the 100-meter race in 10.11 seconds. So ran the same race in 10.09 seconds. Who had
the faster time? Okay. What do you think? Which one? Yes, Ala, maybe your sound is lagging. Maybe a connection issue. Again, who's faster? Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. What do we need to do? We have 10 and 11 hundredths seconds. We have 10 and 9 hundredths seconds. Of course, you know why I'm saying hundredths, because we have 2 digits to the right of the point. And we have it written here also. We're using stopwatches. And to know which one is faster, we need to compare them. Compare means we need to know which one is greater and which one is less. And we have many ways to do this. We'll see the ways. But before we start, I have a question here. Ala said that Sal is faster. So Ala, we are searching for the greater number or for the smaller number? When it's a race, so we are searching for the faster should be the greater or the smaller number? I didn't hear your answer, but I think Ala, the greater or the smaller? The smaller. Okay, great. So we need to compare them to know which one is smaller. Okay, let's go down to see how to compare fractions. Thank you, Ala. Great work. I see that someone is using the mic. Please, my heroes, mute your mics. Thank you, Ala. You can mute your mic also. Okay, we have one way using hundredths grids. As you can see here, 10.11 or 11 hundredths. So it's 11 hundredths. So if we use grid, we will use the same whole numbers. It's 10, 10. So we need to search for the decimal parts. If we use the grid, this is 11 hundredths and this one is 9 hundredths. As you can see, 11 hundredths is greater than 9 hundredths. So the faster is the smaller. Faster is the smaller, or the time which is less. So this one is smaller, so Sal had the faster time. Okay, we have another way to do this, and as you can see, every time we start with the whole number parts. So please, my heroes, I will erase everything here, and please, my heroes, underline this. Use place value. The whole number parts are the same, so this is the first thing that you should start with. Start by checking the whole numbers. Okay, after the whole numbers, you can check the decimal parts. Okay, the decimal parts here are both hundredths. So we have here hundredths and hundred. What's the meaning of hundredths again? What's the meaning of this word? Two digits to the right of the point. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have the same number of digits to the right of the point, and we will get the same answer, that 10.11 is greater than 10.09. And there is another way here. We compare each place value starting from the left. So every time we start with the whole numbers. So let's summarize this. So the first thing is the whole number, and the second thing, you can do the decimal parts to be the same number to the right of the point. And also we have another way, moving from left to right. So we can say that this is the second step, or we can use it. I can change number 2 to make it like this. Start with, in the other way here, we start with the whole, then moving from the left, we have here tenths. So we start after whole, we move to the tenths, and the last thing is hundredths. Okay, I want you now, my heroes, to write the steps, and the steps here are these 1 and 2 here, and 1, 2, 3 here. Oh, okay, okay, my heroes. So again, this is very important here. This part is very important. Okay, I will not erase it. So again, my heroes, we start with the whole number parts, the whole. Then we move to the tenths, and if the whole is the same, we move to the tenths. If the whole is different, so we don't need to do an extra steps. If the whole is the same, compare the tenths. If the tenths are different, so don't move to the hundredths. If they are the same, yes, do step 3. So we go through them from left to right. Okay, now is there anyone writing? Can we move down? Anyone writing?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, great. So now let's go down. And here we need to write 4 different digits in the blank spaces to make each comparison true. And I will give you 1 minute to try it by yourself. We have this one and this one, these 2 comparisons. Oh, great. Who's this? Okay, Abdulaziz. Ali, okay. Great.
Where is the greater and where is the smaller?
Now it's written here.
Teacher? No, I mean, how we know it's greater and how we know it's smaller?
Using the steps. Do you want me to write it again? Okay, we start with the whole. Then
Okay.
tenths.
Okay.
And after that hundredths.
Okay.
Okay, if the whole is the same, move to the second step. If the tenths are the same, move to the the third step. Yes?
I am only on the home and I didn't close the door and it's closed in itself.
Okay, if you want to check it, go ahead quickly and come back quickly. Okay?
I will take my mobile.
Okay. Okay, my heroes. Now, let's go ahead. And here, as you see, we need to use different digits. So, do not repeat. For example, do not use 2 and 3 and again 2 and 3 and again 2 and 3. No, no, no. That's not what we're doing. If you use a digit, do not repeat it. Okay, let's see. Muhammad Raed?
Here.
You can start with me with the first comparison.
Yeah. 0.
Give me any 2 digits to write here and here in the blank, in the spaces.
0. That 1.
I should write here 1
Yeah.
and the second one
0.
0. Now, this is less than this.
Yeah. It must be true.
Oh yes, we can use 2. We should use number greater than 1. Any digit greater than 1. So we can use 2, 3, 4, any other digit greater than 1. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Thamir? 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 Muhammad Yahya?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Muhammad, the second comparison.
0.5 is bigger than 0.9.
Mm-hmm.
0.59.
Okay, we can use 9. We didn't use 9 here. Okay, so 9 is okay. And for the second one?
0.19.
But if I write here 1, so it's repeated. Because I used it already here.
Okay, then 0.29.
Okay. I have 2 also. Yes, we can use 3, and also we can use 4. And for the 9 here, we can write any other digit. We have many choices here. You can write any other digit that we didn't use. What if I use it as the smallest digit possible, which is 0? It will be right? It will be okay?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. The first step is the whole. The whole is 0, 0. It's the same. Now we should move to the second step. What is the second step? Tenth is, it's 5, and here 3. So we don't do the third step. We don't move to the hundredths. So 5 is greater than 3, so this is correct. So whatever the digit that you use here, it will be correct. So you can use 0. Of course, we used 1, 2, 3. So you can use 0 or any other number other than 1, 2, and 3, of course. Okay, my heroes. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, my heroes, is there anyone writing? Okay. We explained it. We explained this together, so we don't need to write the explanation. And let's move to the next step, the next page. We have here another example. In this example, we need to compare 0.23, or to read it correctly, it will be 23 hundredths. The other one is 32 hundredths. And for this one, we are using place value blocks. So this is 2 tenths means how many hundredths? 10 and 10 hundredths. The whole grid is 100. The whole grid is 100. So this is 1/10. Okay. This is 1/10. And this is 100th. So this is the whole. This is the 10th. This is the 100th. And as you can see here, we have 2 tenths here, and here 3 tenths. So do not compare the hundredths. We stop and we say that 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So 23 hundredths is less than 32 hundredths. Okay, we need to solve some questions to make sure that we understand this. Let's move down.
Teacher, the letter is easy. I answered whole page.
Wow, great. Hussein? 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 I see that you are using your mic, but I cannot hear you. I still cannot hear you. Ahmed Fahad? Ahmed Fahad? Ahmed? Dgheither? Ahmed? Ahmed, use your mic. I can't hear you. My ears, when I call you, please answer quickly. Okay. Malik Salman?
Yes.
Okay, Malik, go ahead. Okay, so we move to the tenths. The whole is the same, so we move to the tenths. 7, 5.
So we stop. We don't go to the next.
Excellent. So
Because 7 is bigger than 5.
7 is bigger than 5, so 70 hundredths is greater than 57 hundredths. Okay, thank you, my hero. And here we need to say something, my heroes. We can write this like 0.7. This is correct also. So simply what we know now is that this 0, maybe you can find it 0.7 and 0.57. In this case also 0.7 is greater. Okay, we will see this again for another question. And now let's move to the next one. Saleh. Question number 3.
It is 0.41.
So here we start with the whole, it's the same. And here 4, 1, so 4 is greater than 1. Thank you, Saleh. Great work. Riyadh.
Yes.
Question number 4.
6.28 blank 7.31.
Mm-hmm.
7.31 is greater than 6
Why?
because it is more numbers and has
Okay, we can say that simply because the whole here 6 and 7. So 7 is greater than 6.
yes.
So we don't compare the decimal parts. Okay, excellent, my hero. Great work. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Yes, Mr.
Question number 5.
1.1 and 1 point.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Yes.
Start with the whole number.
The whole number is 1 and 1.
Okay, so we move to the tenths.
The tenths is 1 and 10. So
No. The tenths. The tenth is here. One digit is 1. And here also it's 1.
until 1
They are the same. 1, 1. Okay, so we need to move to the hundredths. The hundredths here is 0. And here we don't have hundredths. So it is
it is
0. You remember? We said that.
Yeah.
Okay, like this one in the top. 0.7 is the same like 0.70. Okay, so the hundredth is also is the same. So the answer is
the answer is 8.
yes. Thank you, Ibrahim. Great work. And now, my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game.
Mister, I have a question.
Of course, Malik. Ask.
4.42 like it is less than the number beside it.
Which question? Which question?
17.
Okay, we didn't solve this, but I will move down. Is there anyone writing? Okay, I erased this.
No.
And you said question number 17.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes?
So we put the same whole number or we put bigger whole number?
As you wish. As you wish. Give me any number that is greater than 4 and 42 hundredths. Give me any bigger number. Okay?
6 and
Okay, it's okay.
6.57.
Okay, it should be right, of course, because 6 is greater than 4. You don't have any rules here. You can use any numbers. Okay, now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. And now my heroes, let's go ahead and start solving. Let's start with the first question here. This one. And Jed. 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 Abdulaziz Rouaishid. Go ahead.
0.0.
What should I choose? Less than, greater than, or equal?
0.53 is greater than 0.
Okay, so it's less than. Right? This one is called less than. Okay, Abdulaziz, thank you, my hero.
Yes.
And let's move to the next one. Muhammad Al-Humaydan.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, give an equivalent fraction to the following: 0.4,
0.40.
excellent, wow. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. This is comparing. And Maitham,
Yes, Mr.
go ahead.
Less than.
Less than,
No, I mean greater than.
greater than, because the tenth is here, it's 4. And for the other one, it's 2. So 4 is greater than 2. Do not move to the hundredths. Thank you, Maitham. Great work.
I just speak fast.
Okay. And let's move to the next one. Abdulaziz Khalid. Abdulaziz Khalid. Abdulaziz Khalid. Okay, Abdulaziz, 24 tenths. We should write this first, Abdulaziz, right? Tenths means the point after how many digits?
What?
Oh, this word tenths. It means that the point is after 1 or 2 digits.
1.
So I write the number, it should be 2.4. And we have the other one, 2.5. So the correct choice is
2.4.
what? Yes. Which one is the correct choice?
2.4.
The correct choice, 2.4 is greater? What do you mean? Greater than or less than or equal?
Less than.
Less than. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Let's move to the next one. Okay. Ali Isa? Okay, which one of these is true? Less than 4.62. Okay, thank you, my hero. And as you can see, my heroes, this is 6, 2, so this one is wrong. Here we have 2, 3, so they are not the same. Here this is 2, 2, and here 6, 4, so 6 is greater, this one is wrong. But here, as you can see, it's 2, and here is 6, so this one is the only correct one. Okay. Malik, what do you want? Do you have any problems? Okay, Ali Dokhi?
Mr. Me, please.
Okay, let me see. Okay, Malik, let me first check some students because they didn't join today also, and
Okay.
I will get you also. But I want Ali Dokhi. Please, my hearers, do not use your mics. Ali Dokhi?
I want to add.
I said do not use your mics, Abdurrahman. Okay, so Ali is not here. Muhammad Hisham?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad. Order the following decimals from least to greatest.
0.54, 0.8,
Mm-hmm.
and 0.85.
Excellent. Okay, my heroes. So the answer for this question is this one, and you should focus that if you have tenths only, you can put 0 here to make it 2 digits like all other numbers. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any questions? Any problems? Thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.